In this video, I will explain to you 10 healthy breakfast ideas for weight loss. Mornings can be hectic, but that doesn't mean you have to skip breakfast or grab sugary options on the go. A healthy and filling breakfast is a key player in weight loss. It jumpstarts your metabolism, keeps you feeling satisfied, and helps avoid unhealthy cravings later in the day. Here are 10 delicious and easy breakfast ideas that will keep you feeling full and energized without derailing your weight loss goals. Number 1. Greek Yogurt Powerhouse. Ditch the sugary yogurts and opt for plain Greek yogurt. It's packed with protein and calcium, keeping you feeling full for longer. Top it with fresh berries for a dose of sweetness and antioxidants, or add some chopped nuts and a drizzle of honey for extra crunch and flavor. Before I move to number 2, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Thanks as you do so. Now, number 2. Scrambled egg scramble. Eggs are a classic breakfast choice for a reason. They're a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats, which help keep you feeling satisfied. Scramble a couple of eggs with chopped vegetables like onions, peppers, or spinach for added nutrients and flavor. Serve on a whole wheat toast for a complete and balanced meal. Number 3. Overnight oats sensation. Meal prep can be your best friend when it comes to healthy breakfasts. Overnight oats are a simple and delicious way to do just that. Combine rolled oats, milk, dairy, or non-dairy, and a touch of honey or maple syrup in a jar the night before. In the morning, top it with your favorite fruits, nuts or chia seeds for a refreshing and filling breakfast. Number 4. Smoothie Bowl Extravaganza. Who says smoothies can't be a complete breakfast? Blend together Greek yogurt, frozen fruit, spinach, and a splash of milk for a creamy and refreshing base. Pour it into a bowl and top it with your favorite granola, sliced banana, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for a visually appealing and nutrient-rich breakfast. Number 5. Power-up protein pancakes. Who can resist pancakes? But ditch the sugary, high-carb versions. Instead, whip up a batch of protein pancakes using whole wheat flour, protein powder, and a bit of milk. These pancakes will keep you feeling full and energized without the sugar crash. Top them with fresh fruit or nut butter for added flavor and nutrition. Number 6. Berrylicious Chia Pudding. Chia seeds are tiny, nutritional powerhouses. Packed with fiber and protein, they help you feel satisfied and keep you going throughout the morning. Combine chia seeds with milk, dairy, or non-dairy, a touch of honey, and a dash of vanilla extract in a jar the night before. In the morning, top it with fresh berries for a delicious and healthy breakfast pudding. Number 7. Breakfast Burrito Bonanza. Think beyond dinner for burritos. Scramble some eggs with chopped vegetables like onions, peppers, and black beans. Wrap it all up in a whole wheat tortilla for a protein and fiber-rich breakfast burrito. Add a dollop of salsa or avocado for extra flavor and healthy fats. Number 8. Cottage Cheese Delight. Cottage cheese is a low-calorie, high-protein option that's perfect for breakfast. Mix it with chopped fruits like pineapple or mango for a sweet and refreshing twist. Add a sprinkle of chia seeds or chopped nuts for extra flavor and texture. Number 9. Whole wheat toast triumph. Toast doesn't have to be boring. Choose whole wheat bread for added fiber and top it with mashed avocado for healthy fats. Add a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning or a drizzle of balsamic vinegar or a flavorful and satisfying breakfast. Number 10. Soup start to your day. Leftover vegetable soup from dinner can be a quick and healthy breakfast option. Heat it up in the morning and add a whole wheat roll for dipping. It's a warm, comforting, and nutrient-rich way to start your day. But remember, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate these healthy breakfast ideas into your routine for sustainable weight loss. Don't be afraid to mix and match these ideas to create your own delicious and healthy breakfast favorites. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See you in our next video.